Just 2 hours after Michael Cohen was sentenced, another bombshell. The parent company of the National Enquirer, AMI, cut a deal with prosecutors, admitting to helping the Trump campaign cover up allegations of an affair. Feds agreed not to prosecute if the head of AMI agreed to cooperate. The company admitted to paying Karen McDougal $150,000 in concert with the Trump campaign to bury her story. Prosecutors say that and Cohen's testimony that he paid $130,000 to Stormy Daniels for the same reason amount to illegal campaign contributions, which is a felony.
There were real feelings between the two of us.
It all hinges on if the president knew the payments were being made and if he did it to protect his campaign. In a similar case involving presidential candidate John Edwards, a jury did not find he violated campaign finance laws. Senator Richard Blumenthal last night.
The term co-conspirator is beginning to fit Donald Trump like a well-tailored suit.
Senator Lindsey Graham, though, played down the fallout.
I don't know if it means a whole lot for the president. It means a lot in Michael Cohen's life. Anytime a former lawyer of yours goes to jail is probably not a good day, but I've yet to see any evidence coming from Mr. Cohen of collusion, and that's what started the Mueller investigation to begin with.
Cohen is still working with prosecutors and is prepared to testify before Congress if called. Yesterday he said, quote, "I felt it was my duty to cover up his dirty deeds rather than listen to my own inner voice and my moral compass. My weakness can be characterized as a blind loyalty to Donald Trump." Meantime, special counsel Robert Mueller's team says he has, quote, "provided consistent and credible information about core Russia-related issues under investigation." It's possible Cohen could have his sentence reduced if he tells more. So far, silence from the White House. But President Trump's attorney, Rudy Giuliani, did have this to say to Yahoo News. Quote, "Cohen is a completely dishonorable person. I've never heard of a lawyer that tape recorded their client without the client's permission." Going on to add, the president's not a lawyer. The simple fact is that it's not a criminal violation of the campaign finance law. And in another development, a federal judge ordered Mueller to turn over documents related to the questioning of former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn. This after Flynn's legal team said the FBI pressured him not to bring a lawyer to an interview with agents at the White House. There's talk of impeachment, but President Trump says he's not concerned, and he thinks people would, quote, revolt if that happened. In Washington, Jenna Browder, CBN News.